Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the entire hair care system that I'm going to be using for the next 3-month-roonies to get more of this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're interested to know about how I'm gonna get more hair, or that's the goal anyways, I'm gonna try to get more hair. It really just means so much to me that you decided to click on the video. First, I'm just gonna share with you a little bit about what I've tried to use, and then we're gonna just pop right into what I'm gonna use. So look, I have tried to use like biotin. I've tried using like, pregnancy pills, and in college I did that. I've tried like those horse pills. They're huge, but they just never worked. I've never been able to just get more hair. I have decently long hair. I've been growing it for the last 1.5 years, ever since I took out my tape-in extensions, which really did a number on my hair, but that's for another time, another story. But my whole life I've had really straight, fine hair, and the color that you're seeing right now is just natural highlights from the summertime, and so I haven't had it lightened or anything. This is just all natural color, except for I color my roots. Okay, so that is all that I have done to it, and I just don't have that much hair, and I'm always wanting to do extensions because I want that fullness of more hair. So I'm deciding to get real serious about taking some steps to try to grow more hair. So let's do it. Here is what I am going to be using. First, I'm gonna show you all of the Olaplex items. I'll kind of show them to you in order. First, I have the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. And this is something you dampen your hair first. You leave it in for, it says 10 minutes, but like I do like 30 minutes. And it says 2 to 3 times, if it's really damaged hair, 2 to 3 times a week. Other than that, to just use 1 time a week. So I'll do like 1 to 2 times a week with this. This bottle I've had for a long time, so it's only about a 1/4 left. I'll have to get another one of these soon because it doesn't go very far, to be honest. And it's not really all that cheap, but it's really good for your hair. This I do know. Oh, and then I should tell you too, in case you've ever had Olaplex items, I got these pumps just recently on Amazon, and they are specifically for this product because of these like really unique small bottle sizes. So here I also have the number 4 and number 5 steps, and this is the shampoo and the conditioner. So far I've used these like twice. The shampoo is amazing. It takes just the smallest amount. You know how like the salon bottles always say like take like a dime size for your hair, like it's totally like bowl. It's not bowl for this. It is totally true. You want to use the smallest amount. It's really good. The conditioner you actually do need a little bit more of, but anyway, so these I am going to be using. Then when we get out of the shower, I'm going to be using the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. Here's what she looks like up close. So the Bond Smoother will go all throughout my hair as directed. It says small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating on the mid-lengths. And then I also already have, this is the Olaplex Bonding Oil, and I've used this several times, and you would think it's brand new, never opened, because like you actually have to it's hard to get the drops out of the bottle. And so this thing will last you like a millennium, but I will be using that just at the ends, as I already have been, so to just help hydrate and repair throughout over time my ends. That is what I'm going to be using as far as kind of like the topical products. Now I've got a few other things that just arrived. I haven't even opened, and I am going to be trying for the first time as an add-in to that regimen. And the first one is from a company called Collective Laboratories, and here's what it looks like. This is a serum to put on your scalp. It is called the Revive Activating Serum, and this contains biotin and ginseng. So it says that it may cause like a warming sensation on my scalp for a few minutes, but should go away, and it should boost volume and then you can blow dry after the application of it. From what I was reading about it, you take like a whole dropper's worth and then you just kind of drop it throughout your scalp everywhere. Yeah, it smells kind of decent. So I have no idea like how long one bottle is gonna last. Supposedly, like from the reviews that I've read and seen, it's gonna be a really good root stimulator. I'm really, really curious to see how this works with getting new hair going, which means more hair, thicker hair. I will put a link to this down below. No sulfates, parabens, no shady business. I like that. So from what I'm reading, I shouldn't be expecting to have like a greasy scalp or anything just because I've put this in. So I would imagine, since it's talking about like when you blow dry, that this is gonna be like a daily sort of use. So I will be using that every time I shower. And it says you can even use it on dry hair. So even days that I'm not washing my hair, I'll just try to make it a habit that when I get out of the shower, this will become part of my routine. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm going to be doing, something that had a lot of really great reviews. I mean, for people like losing their hair, I wouldn't say that I'm actually losing my hair. I would just say that I just have thin hair. And I know it's only gonna get worse as I get older because I have thinner hair than I did when I was in college. I'm sure a lot of y'all feel me on that. The stress from college just like rids you of your hair. So I haven't even opened this yet, but I decided to invest in the brand Nutrafol. So here's what it looks like when you came. Basically what I did was I went onto their website, I filled out a survey. They ask you a whole bunch of things about your lifestyle, your body, stress, environmental things, all that kind of stuff. And this is what it came up with. So I got their core product, which is the bottle for women, and it looks like that right there. This thing is heavy, my word. So, oh, it's about selenium in it. That's probably pretty good. I'm just gonna open this. So it's like this. Okay, here we go. Wow, I guess because it's glass. It's ginormo bottle. Oh, there we go. And that is what it looks like. So, let's see, serving size is 4 capsules. You take 4 once daily with food. So that'll be like my morning routine. Take for a minimum of 6 months is what it says. Then the other thing that they recommended was a hair biotic. It says it's 7 targeted probiotic strains with gut and hair health. Just take 1 capsule once daily with or without food. In the morning, then I'm really good about taking my vitamins in the morning, just never any other part of the day. So, and then the last thing that seemed to be the most like specific to me with the questions that I answered was a liver support supplement. So it says for hair wellness from within, and it's the Nutrafol liver support. So we got that, and I think I paid $89, I think. And the liver support system seems to really actually make a lot of logical sense to me. So yeah, so take 2 once a day with or without food. So here is going to be the supplements that I'm going to be taking. So I'm going to be taking all these pills with my other regular ones in the morning, and then I'm going to be doing all the Olaplex plus the Collective Laboratories activating serum onto my scalp, because that'll be the only thing that goes directly onto my scalp. The other items are just like throughout the strands to like work on the bonding of the hair cuticle. That will be strengthening in that way. Okay, so let me show you now my most, I don't know how to say this, my most concerned part of my head, and that would be like the crown back here. So I can't really tell if I am in, but it's really thin through here, and I just get a lot of scalp showing whenever I do anything and I style my hair. And so it's just really uncomfortable. So I'm always like self-consciously trying to take my fingers and run my hair back to cover that part of my head, and it's just really uncomfortable. So I just feel like as a woman, it's, you know, it's tough. Like, yes, it's tough for men when they lose hair, but it's more socially acceptable than when a woman loses her hair. This is what my hair is looking like right now. Here's my middle part. I'm also gray right now. I need to get my hair colored, but I feel like it's a little thin. I've had thicker hair at other times in my life, and so it's just goes like that. I've got to get this. I'd really like to be able to change my situation. All right, so just want to keep this really quick and short since this is kind of just more of a before and nothing has actually happened. So thank you so much for hanging with me. If you have any questions about any of the products that I have mentioned, I will have all of them linked below so that you can check them out yourself if you have any other questions or whatever. But again, I haven't really been using them for that long, but this is just kind of going on the record for what I'm going to be using. Some of these are just about keeping my current hair healthy, and the others are actually about producing new hair. I think it will still be pretty clear about, you know, like what is actually creating new hair, and that would be the Nutrafol and the Collective Labs serum. That is going to be it for now. I just want to keep it at that. Thank you so much for hanging with me. If you did, please give this video a like. It just supports my channel and it means so much to me. It really helps me out, as well as subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss any of my future videos. I think that's it for now. Okay, thank you so much for hanging with me. As always, stay well, stay blessed.